This house opens to two sides at the same time, and that completely changes how it works. This is the Point Lonsdale House, designed by Field Office Architecture in Australia. The site is compact, and it has a problem. The back of the house doesn't receive much sun, so instead of concentrating everything there, the design does something different. The main space of the house is placed at the center of the lot, a courtyard oriented toward the sun. That's where daily life happens. Living, dining, gathering, everything is organized around this open space. From there, the house opens in two directions, to the front and to the back. This makes the site feel larger and allows light to enter from different sides throughout the day. The house is not fully open, but it's not closed either. It controls how it opens. Another important point is how the spaces are defined. There aren't many walls closing everything off. They subtly divide the spaces but don't fully isolate them. They are made of concrete blocks stacked one on top of another with aligned joints. The house shows exactly how it was built. You can read it as one continuous space, but at the same time with clearly defined areas. The design also considers the long term. The house can be used almost entirely on one level without depending on stairs. The connection to the outside is constant. The interior spaces extend out to exterior decks, and these decks help bring light, ventilation, and use beyond the interior. This is essential in a coastal setting, where the weather changes throughout the day. The house was also designed to perform well without relying on a lot of energy. It uses solar orientation, materials that store heat, and natural ventilation. As a result, it maintains a more stable temperature and reduces the need for artificial heating or cooling. At many times, the house operates almost on its own. The materials follow the same logic. Nothing flashy, everything built to last. Wood, blocks, surfaces that age well. Over time, the house changes, but it improves. In the end, this house doesn't try to stand out. It works. It uses the site, it takes advantage of the sun, it controls the climate, it protects. And it shows that in a place like this, the most important thing is not to open everything, but to know when to close.